Valentin, he is owner of Fuse Service San Francisco. He with his team made wonderful, amazing project in one of the rooftops of San Francisco city. Can you a little bit tell us what's going on here and what actually you did here?
Yeah, so here we installed about 40 condensers for the one multi-apartment house, 4-story apartment, about 10 units per level. So here you can see some condensers which is supplying first, second and the third floor. We have about 30 more around this entire roof. Yeah, so project was pretty challenging because we had need to drill through the concrete through all the levels and run the line sets, electrical. Of course, all the jobs were permitted. We pass all inspections for this. And if you would like to get something similar to your house, feel free to call us on the form below.
Did you have any issues with customers during the project?
No, not at all. So customers here are really nice guys.
And how did you gather all these guys, all these homeowners in one building, or it is like you worked with homeowner association?
Yeah, so we were working through the HOA, and we first installed the all condensers on this roof, and then we started doing apartment one by one. So just one day or half a day for one apartment.
How long did it took this whole project?
So I think it's total about 3 days per one unit in total. 1 day for the outdoor, 1 day for indoor, and 1 day for running the line sets through the levels.
All right. Did you have any challenges besides the drilling the concrete?
All work has some challenges, but we can overcome them.
Like all drains?
Drain, yeah. So one was, yeah, good catch. So one of the challenges was to find how to drain the condensate from all the units. We found a good spot through the levels and to the garage level. So right now it's draining the garage gutter system.
Thank you very much, Valentin, and I'll see you in the next one.